Okay. So, who is ready? Yeah, who is ready for Igbo alphabet classes? That is A, B, C, D, Igbo. Who is ready? Let's see. Who is ready? Adi Maria. Hi. So we are getting ready for the Igbo alphabet classes. Let me know what you think. Adi, welcome. Ferraro, hi. Hope I pronounced that very well. So, are we ready for the class? Welcome, 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 welcome. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Oh, blessed classes where we teach how to understand Igbo language better. How to understand Igbo language better. If you go through, you see where we have treated some of the words in English and what it means in Igbo. So we are planning to have the alphabet class so we can know how to pronounce some of the words. Okay, please subscribe, help me by subscribing to the channel. So let's see. Who is ready? Who is ready for the A, B, C, D, E? You know, in English language, you have A, B, C, D, E, F. But Igbo, that is A is for A. Yeah. Ooh. Then if you have been seeing our video of recent, is there any particular thing you would like us to look into that maybe you are finding difficult in? Just let me know. Anything you would like us to teach, any particular thing at all in Igbo language. Last time we visited, we attended the Obaji festival. How many of us here have seen the video? If you haven't seen the video, I would like you to check it out. The Obaji festival was awesome. The ABCD class is coming your way soon. ABCD, Fige we hi I ejeke, Bekwele mene, Nwenye o, Pirisi shiti, Uoviyeze. Yeah, Ata. Hope I pronounced that very well. Hello. Hi. So guys, if you have not subscribed, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please help us by doing so. Hit the subscribe button. Hi, Ata. Let me know if I get that pronunciation well. Are you ready for the ABCD class? That is the ABCD version of Igbo language. Oh, thank you very much, Ata. I appreciate that so much. I appreciate that. Yeah. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, Atta. I'm a Nigerian. Yeah. Igbo part of Nigeria. Yeah. And you? You are from where, Atta? Okay, guys. Okay, Atta, let me know where you are from too. You can subscribe to our channel. Oh, that's so lovely. Thank you, Atta. Thank you, Atta, for following. Thank you for watching our video so far. I appreciate that. More is coming your way. So let me know in the comment section if you are watching our live now. Let me know if you are ready for the Igbo alphabet class. Igbo alphabet class. Let me know. And do well to see our Obaji festival video. It was such an mind-blowing festival. You don't want to miss that. the more reason why I attended the festival. Let me know what you think. Hi, Valentine. Hi. Val, how are you doing? Let me know what you think, guys, for our upcoming Igbo alphabet class. Please, if you're here to subscribe, please help us by clicking the subscription button. Please. That is the most best way to encourage us to bring more classes and more video your way. Who is ready for A, B, C, D, E? F, G, W, W, H, I, E, J, K, P, Q, L, M, N, 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 O, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, O, V, W, Z. Like I said, A, when you want to pronounce it in English, it's simply A, just like you have A, B, C, D. in Igbo you have A, B, C, D. So in English, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, So just get ready to enjoy the class. It's going to be mind-blowing. Welcome, 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 welcome. Please let me know where you're watching from. Let me know where you're watching from in the comment section. Let me know where you are watching from. Let me know where you are watching from. Let me know where you're watching from. This is Learn Igbo. Learn Igbo language with Digital Mazi. This is Learn Igbo. Okay, if you have watched some of our short video before now, I don't know if any of you have watched some of our short videos. Welcome, 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 welcome. Please guys, subscribe, please subscribe and like. And please let me know what you think of our video, the recent video we posted. Let me know what you think about it. If there are ways you would like us to do better, just let us know. Or if there is any particular thing you would like us to look into, you would like us to work on, maybe one particular class you are looking forward to, you can as well let us know. Let me know. Igbo alphabet class is coming your way soon. Who is ready? Who is ready? Who is ready? Who is ready? Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Just like the way you know how to read and write English. Please let me know where you're watching from. This is Learn Igbo with Digital Maze. This is Learn Igbo. Okay guys, like I said, the Igbo alphabet class is coming your way soon, and I can't wait either. I can't wait. It's going to be mind-blowing, and it's going to be one of the best class you are going to get from us, because it will enable you to know how well to pronounce some of the words that both the one we have treated in our short videos and the one we are to do in time to come. So I've gotten so many reactions where some of our subscribers have asked that we do the alphabet class. Okay, some of you is finding it difficult to pronounce the words, so we are bringing the alphabet class to you soon. Yeah, it's coming your way soon. It's coming your way soon, and we are going to make it we are going to make it a very fun one. Hi. Welcome, 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 welcome. Let me know what you think. Please give us a subscribe. Let me know what you think. The ABCD version of Igbo coming your way. Please, please, please like and subscribe to our channel. Please, please, please. Hi. Please, please like and subscribe to our channel. Atta, are you still there? Valentine. Please let me know what you think. The Igbo alphabets. The Igbo alphabets. You know, H in English you call it H. In English it's H, while in Igbo it's called he. Is being pronounced like as in he. Y in English, H. He. H in English, he in Igbo. H in English, he in Igbo. L in English, lay in Igbo. It's going to be a fun one. Be a very wonderful class. Good Okoye. Oh, here you are. Good, you're welcome. Good Okoye, you're welcome. No, good. No. Ebiala. Yeah, the best way to say that. No, oh. Lay. The L, yeah, good. The L in Igbo. Lay. The R in English. Re in Igbo. Re in Igbo. R in English. Re in Igbo. It's going to rain. Fun. Let me know what you think and where you are watching from. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, please. And also give us a like. The F in English, fe in Igbo. F in English, fe in Igbo. F in English, fe in Igbo. The Igbo alphabet. Who is ready? Let me know. If you are ready, I'm ready. If you are ready, I am ready. Let me know what you think. Welcome. Let me know what you think. Igbo alphabet class coming your way. Welcome. This is Learn Igbo with Digital Mazi. Learn Igbo. Mụta asụsụ Igbo. Asụsụ Igbo amaka. Like I said earlier, if you haven't seen Obaji Festival video, try and see it. Try and see the video. Try and see the video. It's mind-blowing. Where you see the masquerade, Igbo masquerade, some of the Igbo dishes. You don't want to miss out. Please don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, Y, W, H, I, E, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, N, W, N, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, O, V, W, Z. Bring it on. Welcome. Hope you are ready for this class. Do well to subscribe, please do it. We have some other festival that we're going to bring your way. Some other places that will be celebrating the AYG. So we are going to bring the festival your way, and other Richie. You don't want to miss out. You seriously do not want to miss out. Welcome. Learn Igbo with Digital Mazi. Let me know how ready you are for the Igbo alphabet class. Let me know how ready you are. Let me know how ready you are for the class. Let me know how ready you are for the class. A, B, C, D. 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 Oh my. Learn Igbo, mụta asụsụ Igbo. Asụsụ Igbo amaka. Asụsụ Igbo amaka. Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwenu. Mụta asụsụ Igbo. Learn Igbo language with me. Mụta asụsụ Igbo. Igbo amaka. Let me know how ready you are. ABCD ABCD Igbo coming your way soon. ABCD Igbo class is coming your way soon. If you are ready, I'm ready. Okay guys, thank you so very much for joining this live video. Thank you. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, please support our channel by hitting the subscription button and give us a like. Thank you, Maria. Thank you, Ferraro. I've asked this before. Hope I'm getting this the pronunciation right. Thank you, Bless Noski. Thank you, Ata. Thank you, Valentine. Thank you, Gold Okoye. Thank you so very much for being part of this live video. I so much appreciate your contribution. Thank you. ABCD Igbo coming your way soon. If you haven't seen our recent shorts videos and our videos, do it to look at them. You're going to learn a lot. We have some of the words you might not know its meaning in Igbo language. We already have it there, so go check it out. And this is where we're going to call it a day. So the ABCD Igbo will be coming your way soon. Thank you for joining this live. I so much appreciate. I so much appreciate. Enjoy the rest of your evening, the rest of your afternoon, the rest of your night, the rest of your morning. Enjoy the rest of your day. Good night, good morning, good afternoon. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button and give us a like. So like I said, thank you very much for being part of this live session. The Igbo ABCD, the Igbo alphabet class will be coming your way. And I promise it's going to be fun. So thank you very much. It's bye for now. See you in the class. Don't miss the class. See you. Bye.